Coming up, I will let you know the top 5 social media management tools you should explore today to help you keep up with your social media tasks. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. With social media management tools, you can utilize automation to share your content and the content of others on your social media channels. Instead of going through the process of logging into each one of your social media accounts, you can use social media management tools to schedule your social media posts days, weeks, or even months ahead of time. To automate your social media sharing, you should plan your social media posts using a calendar or schedule for your company. By blocking off parts of your day specifically for social media tasks and creating a social media strategy, you can achieve more than you think in a short amount of time. To help you with these tasks, you can use social media management tools. Here's a list of the top 5 social media management tools you should consider using. Number 1, Hootsuite. Hootsuite is one of the most popular social media management tools since many Fortune 1000 companies use it. It is one of the top social media management tools because you can manage and analyze multiple social media networks, profiles, keywords, and campaigns in one place. You can add tons of social media networks to its platform. It's an all-in-one platform to curate content, schedule content, and measure your social media return on investment. Hootsuite makes adding accounts, scheduling posts across social media platforms, and adding account managers easy. It also has a comprehensive training program through its Hootsuite Academy that helps you raise your social media game with training and certifications. Number 2, Buffer. Buffer is one of the leading social media management tools. It is a clean and modern tool that helps you drive website traffic, increase social media engagement, and save time on social media. It can help you schedule and manage social media posts across a wide range of social media channels at the best possible times throughout the day. You don't have to waste your time logging into multiple social media accounts. You can also track links so you can see what content gets the most traction. Buffer makes it easy to maintain a consistent presence on social media to build your following and influence. Buffer has a suite of products for publishing, engagement, analytics, and team collaboration. Number 3, HubSpot. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales software tool that can help you monitor and publish to multiple social media accounts and get closed loop reporting data. With HubSpot, you can see what social media channels drive the most engagement on social media and which one drives leads and sales. HubSpot's social media management tools are part of their all-in-one marketing software. HubSpot integrates all your marketing efforts such as social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and customer relationship management into a single platform. You can better compare your results across all your marketing channels. Number 4, Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a social media management tool that allows team members to monitor social media mentions, engage with advocates, schedule content, and use reporting tools. It has thousands of customers. Sprout Social provides a customer relationship management feature like HubSpot. Having complete social media profiles of your customers can help you build strong relationships. Similar to Hootsuite and Buffer, Sprout Social can help you combine several social media tools into one platform so you can schedule, monitor, and report your social media efforts. Sprout Social provides beautiful reports without a lot of editing. Number 5, Octopost. Octopost is a social media management platform for business-to-business marketers. This tool helps them generate leads through social media and create business value. This software has all the tools most B2B marketers want, ranging from publishing to analytics to advocacy. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are many different types of social media management tools out there. It all depends on the size of your company, how many social media channels you are managing, what features you want, what your goals are for social media, and what your specific needs you have at your company for handling social media. Thank you for watching. Until next time.